What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? It's time for you to learn some science terms. Are you ready? Let's go. When you come to my science class, the measurement of matter is called mass. If I fill a space up, a cup or a room, the definition is volume. I hope you're listening intensely. The amount of matter in a space is density. Water turning to steam, evaporation. Water becomes liquid, condensation. Gases condense to liquid, vapor. Do you also love the scientific flavor? Solids, liquids, and gases, states of matter. And if you eat too much cake, you get fatter. But I digress. When you study science, just do your best. Boiling is at 212 degrees Fahrenheit and freezing is at 32 degrees. Aight? Yeah. What's the matter? What's the matter, Mr. Oyo? Yeah. Hip hop teacher. Subscribe on YouTube at the Hip Hop Teacher. I'm here to reach ya and nice to meet ya. Peace.